the dresser we got. It has really pretty legs on it. That's actually my favorite part about it. It's a little, outdated, but I mean, we could definitely try to sell it from more than we got it. So I look pretty bad, but we both look pretty bad.
I worked all night.
Whatever. I did too, but we're going to sell that dresser that we picked up at a yard sale for $35. We're selling it for $110. I sold it on OfferUp. I was getting a lot of views on Facebook, but nobody actually really messaged me about it. This lady's actually pretty interested. She's coming to look at it. So we're gonna go sell it right now. Hopefully. She wanted to make sure all the drawers work. It's in good shape, but the drawers kind of like, they don't really stick, do they? It's not really sticking. They're just
it's
like,
all wood.
It's all wood. So that's what we're on our way to do now, and of course we'll show you a good video of what it looks like now.
All we did was clean it.
Yeah, all we did was clean it and wipe it down really good, and it was with Dawn dish soap. And we took this Amish wood cleaner and wiped it down with that, and most of the stuff came off except a few spots, so that was it. So you guys know the drill by now. I'm in here in my office looking really crappy. We did sell the dresser. I made a total profit of, I'm really bad at math, so let's see. I gotta pull up a calculator really quick and I'll be able to tell you. Whenever it loads, of course. Okay, so we went and I got 110 out of it, and I bought it for $35. So we made a total profit off of that dresser of $75, and all we did was clean it. So that just shows you that really anybody can do this. You don't have to do anything special. You just pick up a nice piece of furniture that you think you can flip and clean it up and post it for a bigger price than what they sold it to you, if that makes sense. Just this is something we're wanting to do full time or maybe on the side, so that's why we decided to do this YouTube channel, just to kind of show you guys that it's simple. Even if we try to attempt to do like a crappy coffee table and it doesn't turn out that well, so what? People F up. But this is here, and it's just kind of an example. Like, anybody can do it. So I hope you guys had fun watching it, and like, subscribe, comment, let me know how we did. Thanks so much.